everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva and today's video is all about how to get a flawless base. So basically this video is do's and don'ts about foundation. So this video is quite informative. Not quite, it's super informative for girls. So boys, you can leave here because there is no such useful thing for you. So I'm so sorry. Girls, keep watching till the end. Let's start. So our first do is always prep your skin. This is the most important step before starting your makeup. Most of you doesn't take this step in because you don't know what actually prepping is. So I am going to start with cleaning my face with a face wash. So just 2 minutes, I'll come wash my face.
A few minutes later.
So I have already done with washing this pretty face. So now we are moving to the toner. This is the simple rose water. We are using it for hydrating my skin. Waiting for it to dry. आँखों में चला गया था. As you can see, glow तो अभी से आ गया है. We have used rose water as a toner to hydrate my skin because you know after face wash your skin feels kind of dry. So to hydrate that we have used this. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं आंसर लिख रही हूँ पेपर में. Then we are going to apply a moisturizer which is from Wow Skin Science. Moisturizer because you know smoothen out the skin. खत्म हो गया है. This is also the most important. वैसे तो सभी important है. And now then it comes the primer. Primer helps a lot to cover up the pores. So we are using this Inside Cosmetic Primer. आपको जो सूट होता है वो आप यूज कर सकते हैं. I'm just applying like this. जैसे कि pores हमेशा ज़्यादा पे यहाँ रहते हैं. So covering the nose area is really important. अगर आपको कहीं और पे pores नहीं है, you can only apply on your nose area. You can avoid on your full face. I apply on full face because I don't want to take risk. Always remember that skin comes before the makeup. So we are done with the prepping part and we have learnt 4 steps which were cleaning the face, then toner, moisturizer and primer. Okay, then it comes the foundation. So now while applying the foundation, always remember that less is more. Do not apply too much foundation at the beginning. You can add on the foundation if you feel like lack of foundation or you see the unevenness on your skin. So I am using these 2 foundations which is from PAC and Europe Girl. So I am going to mix it and make my own skin tone. So I'm taking very less product. I'm going to take like just a drop of it and then I'm going to make the, ignore this ganda ho gaya. I'm going to make this blender thoda sa damp because it, you know, iska reason baad mein bataungi. So I'm going to mix it. Now just shake. Okay, I'm going to start applying the foundation. I'm applying with hands because I don't have any brush at home. Don't forget your neck. And I'm going to blend. And now coming to the blending part. Always damp your blender before starting your blending because you know damp beauty blender helps much. You just have to dab on the skin and blend it very nicely. Do not rub it because it can mess. So I think I have done with the base, and once you are done with the blending, I'm going to use concealer, the same foundation which is brighter than my skin tone. I'm going to use it as my concealer. Concealer to hide your dark circles, and wherever you have scars or uneven skin tone or patches or acne scars. So fortunately I don't have any acne scars or any spots, so I've just applied underneath the eye, just on the forehead and the nose area. Okay, wherever you feel like you have a spot or you have a scar, you can apply it there and blend it out. So once you are done with the blending, we are moving to the powder. Setting powder is again very important step to set the foundation. Or मैं रट्टा मार के use नहीं, just kidding. And you can also use compact. I am using this setting powder from Kryolan and just going to place it all over my face. Okay, then we are done with the powdering. Can you see the flawless base? These were the most important steps to get this flawless base. And let me complete my whole look and I'll be back to show you my final look. Stay tuned. This was our final look, and let me know in the comments if you love this look and I would like to create more of this type of looks. So here it's time to end the video. Please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, thanks for watching.